Hello friends, welcome back to the Destination Baby and Kids YouTube channel. This is Gina, I am your host. Very excited to be here with you this evening to go over a fabulous stroller from CYBEX. What are we going to be looking at? That stroller that you see behind me, that is the mid-size lightweight CYBEX MIOS. So if you haven't yet, now would be an amazing time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You can also get notified when we drop new videos, because not only are we going to be reviewing this MIOS, but we're going to be comparing it to some other strollers. So we'll also be comparing it to the Dragonfly from Bugaboo, as well as the Silver Cross Breeze. Can't forget that one. So the other thing you can do, aside from subscribing to this channel, if you'd like to show support, is to head on over to my website, destinationbabykids.com. I am a real brick and mortar store here in the greater San Francisco Bay Area. If you learn from this channel and you want to show support, head on over to that website, destinationbabykids.com. Check out all the fabulous things we have, because not only do we have the strollers that we're showing, but we're also going to have a huge variety of everything best for babies. So clothing, swimwear, feeding, bathing, cribs, mattresses, dressers, mini crib mattresses, toys, gift, everything best for baby, all at destinationbabykids.com. Because remember, if you're learning about it here, I would love for you to buy it here. Okay, thank you guys so much. Let's launch into the fabulous CYBEX MIOS stroller. Okay, gang, so as you can see right in front of me in this beautiful cozy beige with matte black frame color, we are looking at the all-new CYBEX MIOS. So this is a very cool stroller because this is going to be very lightweight. It folds super small, which we absolutely adore. And then on top of it, what's exciting for them for this year is that they now offer a bassinet that will fold while it's on the frame of the stroller. So if you're familiar at all with like the Silver Cross Breeze, which has just been a phenomenal runaway Grand Slam success, it's very clear that customers want options of strollers that fold with the bassinet on the frame. So we're going to be sure to show you that, but let's talk about the stroller. We'll go through the spec sheet like we typically do with these products. So as you can see, CYBEX MIOS cost, it's going to be $8.99. So it's right in line with the strollers that are hitting this weight, this size, and this feature set. So it's right correctly priced with, let's say, the Silver Cross Breeze, the Nuna Triv, or the Nuna Triv LX. Also in alignment with the Jules Hub and the Perego Vivace. So all in alignment with that pricing, right at that $800 to $900 price point. So this at $8.99 makes sense. Warranty here, CYBEX has a standard 2-year warranty, which is definitely awesome. They have great customer service, so I have zero complaints there. The overall weight of this stroller is 21.5 pounds. So to lift it and put it into the trunk with the stroller seat on the frame, you are looking at a 21.5 pound stroller, which is very lightweight. Your other strollers in this price point and the size are also going to be right around 19.5 upwards to 23 pounds. So this is still, I would argue, light to mid-weight range. So we love that. Our backrest here is going to be 21.5 inches tall. Our canopy clearance is 24 inches, so that is pretty fabulous. Harness minimum is 9.5 inches. It'll go up to 14 inches at its maximum. Our seat width is 10.75 inches wide, and then the overall width of the stroller is about 19.5 inches wide. So it's a very narrow stroller overall, which is very cool for maneuvering in tight spaces, urban areas, indoors, outdoors. It does have an incredible push, especially considering how lightweight it is. So that was something for me. If you watch this channel, you know I'm obsessed with how things push, and I absolutely adore the push on this. It's one of my favorite pushing little strollers right now, so definitely into that. Our seat depth, it's a very deep seat depth, is 9.5 inches deep. So I do love that for a growing bodied kiddo. Our crotch belt depth is 4.25. The leg extension is 7 inches, and then the knee drop is 11.25. There are 3 handle height positions. So it is a pivoting handle. You have as low as 39 inches, you then have 41.5, and then as tall as 43 inches. So I am about 5'4". You can see, I actually found that I liked it best for myself when it was set to the lowest setting. So I think it's nice if you are shorter, you're gonna have lots of nice options for handle height here, and pivoting sometimes is more comfortable than telescoping for people. So very cool feature there. Now, the buckle type is what I refer to as the CYBEX harness buckle type. So it is not magnetic. Now again, this is not the end of the world for me personally. You do get the front swiveling arm, which is great. Here, the CYBEX buckle, when you pop it, it's a spring mounted and both sides pop away. You do close each side individually. It can only be used as a 5-point harness, so no option here to utilize it as a 3-point harness. You know, generally I do prefer that, but again, the trade-off with it is that the tightening and loosening is similar to a car seat. So on most strollers, you'll have straps here to tighten and then straps around the waist to tighten. With CYBEX, you simply pull the strap in the center, and that will tighten the harness around the body and subsequently also tighten the waist strap. And then to loosen, you can press right there and pull on these guys, and that will give you more space throughout the whole body. So it's kind of a clever harness. The reason why I like it is another reason why I like this stroller, the styling and the design. It's very minimalist. I'm going through a phase right now with strollers where I'm starting to really prefer minimalist style. So this and the Jewels hub for me are like stylistically so clean that they're very appealing. That being said, you do get a lot included with this when you buy it. So when you buy it, you do get the cup holder that you see attached to it right now. You will also get a rain shield. You will also get car seat adapters that work for Nuna, CYBEX, CLEC, and Perego so far. So those were the ones that I got to lock on, and I will show you guys that as well. But again, strong value because you're getting all of those pieces, which most other brands usually charge you separately for. Car seat adapters alone are between $50 and $60 from each brand. Cup holders usually run between $25 and $40. So right there, $100 probably just in those two accessories alone, which are included in the purchase price here. So something that we would want to point out. The tires are a 4-wheel suspension. So you have spring mounted suspension on the back, and then you also have individual spring suspension on each tire on the front of the stroller. We talked about handle heights, the CYBEX style buckle, basket capacity. So one area where maybe not the best, and this is sort of typical for CYBEX, basket's only gonna hold 11 pounds. We do have a sandal friendly brake, however, which I love. The other thing is the seat itself will hold 55 pounds. So most brands, again, cut out at around 50 pounds. This guy's gonna hold up to 55 in the actual seat itself with 11 in the basket. Now, the basket size is 11 by 16. Our front opening is 9.5 inches. So you do get quite a generous opening here in the front. And then the back opening is going to be 8 inches. Now, the stroller does not have a newborn compatible recline. This doesn't bother me on this stroller because, again, this stroller has a folding bassinet, and I'm finding that if a stroller has a folding bassinet, about 95% of the people that buy the stroller end up buying the folding bassinet. So this guy not working with a total lay flat for a newborn doesn't bother me. This would be sufficient to start a kiddo probably once they have independent head and neck control, which is usually between 4 and 6 months. If I wanted to have the seat caregiver face, these are memory buttons. So that is fabulous. We're able to turn the seat around with only pressing one button at a time. In this category, there are other strollers that are similar to this. The Breeze is memory button, and the Jewels Hub and the Bugaboo Dragonfly, you don't have to press any buttons to turn the seat around. You simply lift the seat off the frame and turn it when it's in a very specific spot. So right in alignment with the other strollers in this category. So we just want to point that out. Another nice feature is that the stroller has a really, really big sunshade, which is all adjustable. As I mentioned, the simplicity of this design is so nice. All the zippers are covered with like a little apron, which again, right now, just for sort of where I'm at, I'm kind of into because it just looks cleaner. go ahead and open this guy up even further. So that is going to be our sunshade when we're in recline mode, which again is amazing. And then we can go ahead and lift up to get a mesh ventilated panel. So something else that we would want to point out about the seat is that it actually comes with a removable liner and a huge mesh backrest. So this is going to give us a ton of breathability and also help just keep the seat clean for those situations when they're, you know, eating and being gross. So I'll go ahead and remove the infant headpiece. And then we'll go ahead and take off the body piece here, which is very simple. It's just Velcro. And that guy will come out. And as you can see, you get an all seasons mesh ventilated seat backrest here, which is awesome, super breathable, huge sunshade, adjustable foot plate for different ages. But you can have your ventilated panel here, you can spy on them, and you can also have that mesh ventilation open in the back. And of course, the 3-position recline works in either forward or rear facing. Now, let's show and talk about the fold. It is a one-handed fold, so if I'm not mistaken, you collapse the seat just like that, and then on the handle, you'll press and kick it forward. And now the whole thing folds up just like that. And as you can see, it's very nicely sized. And it stands on its tires, right? So it's 4 on the floor, meaning the 4 tires are on the ground. The handle is not touching the ground. So I'm always fond of that. I'm gonna go ahead and pinch and lift. Super easy. And then I think to sit the seat up, I don't even have to hit the handle. There we go. Now let's see if it'll fold with the seat facing the other direction. So we'll go ahead and try that. Folds up. And now, oh, you know what? I did this last time too. Let me show you guys one thing that you're gonna wanna make sure you do, because this happened to me before. It's actually the sun canopy. This big bill, it's very serious. If you tuck it under, now when you want this to fold up, this should actually fold quite a bit smaller. There we go. So as you can see, folds with the seat facing either direction. And if you tuck the wheels into the correct way, it's quite a nice small fold with one-handed, and again, the handle's not touching the ground. So I'll go ahead and open this guy back up. Very simple. We'll go ahead and pop the seat off and show the bassinet, because that is part of this exciting conversation. Now, if you did just the stroller, it would be $8.99. If you add the bassinet, that is an additional $449. So I believe that brings your total to something close to $13.49. Bassinet clicks on, has a huge sunshade, as you can see. This color is gorgeous too. The other thing that's really nice about this bassinet is that there, in addition to being a lot of sunshade, there is a lot of airflow. So you can pop up the one piece here, but then you also have airflow down here on that component. So you've got airflow going all the way through. Now this bassinet does not have a stand. This bassinet is also not overnight sleep certified. So again, okay for naps with supervision, but not a bassinet that we would want to use for overnight sleeping. And I'm just bringing over the mattress to show that off to you all. It's a cotton, which is very cool. The back side does obviously fold in half. We'll show it folding. There is a little lip around the headpiece, removable if you're not into it, but I do think it could be just kind of a nice little like piece up at the top, just sort of like in the olden days, we used to call this a bumper. So yeah, just keeping their head sort of out of the way. But all of this can stay on the stroller frame while we fold it. So that's the exciting part about this guy. So what you do in order to do that is there's a squeeze Ooh, there's also a pocket right here on the back just to show you. Could hide all sorts of fun things in there. But on the back, there's a handle underneath the bassinet that you just pull. And then the bassinet will collapse and the stroller folds up identically to how it's been folding, and there's still a handle. So you're still able to fold it, stand it, park it, put it in the car, carry it up an escalator, public transportation. You are good for the day. And there's breathability. The bottom of the bassinet's plastic and there are feet on it. So you can remove the bassinet and have it stand. If you wanted to take it off and have it sit on the floor, you certainly could do that if you wanted to. So opens up relatively easily. You'll pull it up, pop that mattress down, get the handle up by pressing the 2 buttons. Very easy. And you can even have it come over further, just like that. Now, if you want to remove the bassinet, it's individual buttons on each side, which is great. And as I mentioned, it can easily stand on the floor. Now, one other thing that the stroller comes with, if you didn't want to buy the bassinet, which is nice that they include this, are the car seat adapters. Because remember, the seat, although it has like a ton of cool features, it isn't newborn ready out of the box. So we'll go ahead, put the car seat adapters on. And now with the separate purchase of an infant car seat, and I'll show you the ones that are here, you can see how they clip onto the frame. So this is gonna be with the Collect Ling and Lingo. This one, you guys gotta give me a second because it's a new stroller. So you go ahead and set it on there, just like that. You'll hear it click. It's attached. And then there's a squeeze handle on the back. So Collect Ling fits, Lingo fits. Here is the Pipa Urban, that fits. I don't know how you would buy this on its own, but maybe you got it as a gift. Here is our Pipa RX, fits on no problem. Releases just fine. We will do CYBEX now, because it's CYBEX with CYBEX, right? So here is their Cloud T, which is their most fancy-pantsy platinum reclining car seat with the deepest recline of the reclining car seats on the market. Their Cloud G Pro, I think, is the newest one that will also fit on there and work beautifully and recline. Here is their rotating car seat. So I will go ahead and put that on here. The rotating infant seat fits on beautifully, releases easily. And then finally, my pride and joy, Perego. And this guy, I got the one side. Can we get the other side? There we go. So that one fits on. This one also reclines. I just like it because it's made in Italy and has a 5-year warranty. But they all fit on there beautifully. And the really exciting thing is that obviously if you're holding your car seat, you can fold this guy up and get moving. So, hopefully you guys learned a lot about this fabulous CYBEX MIOS. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And also check out my videos going over this versus the Dragonfly and the Breeze. Definitely making that immediately because there's a lot to talk about. All right, guys, thanks so much, and we will see you in our next video.